Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today's video I am doing an after work power hour. It is about 2 o'clock and I just wrapped up work, so I'm gonna start cleaning as soon as I'm done filming this intro. So it'll probably take me to about 3 o'clock. To give you guys some backstory and why I really haven't uploaded, I was sick. I had the stomach bug over the weekend, and then Monday was a doctor's appointment for Evelyn, and then she kind of had a little something like for the rest of the week. Today's Thursday. I'm going to try to film this and then edit it and have it uploaded tomorrow morning. So definitely feeling a little overwhelmed. Definitely feeling a little like gotta get stuff done. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I'm doing a power hour. Like I said, it is 2 o'clock. I just wrapped up work, so I have my list right here. My list is I have to change Evelyn's bed sheets. I have to change our bed sheets, especially we're just got done being sick. I have to fold a basket of laundry. I have to do dishes. I have to clean the stove and the counters, and I'd like to mop and sweep the kitchen floor. Whatever I get done after that is gravy, but those are like my highest priorities. I really should clean my bureau too, so whew. So let's get started. I'm gonna let some music play. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do like it, so I know that you like it. And please consider subscribing if you're new. I know I have to upload more. It's been kind of sporadic. I've been uploading, I haven't really been sticking to my schedule, but you know what? This is terrible. You don't want to subscribe now because I've just told you what a loser I am and how I never upload. So I'm just gonna stop talking. So I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.
I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare, 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares through. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, I'm gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. sees. Oh, you meant the world to me.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop it, show me how.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop this, show me how.
Show me how, show me how, show me how.
I know you're telling me you're leaving, but all I wanna do is hold you now and hear the sound of your heart beating. If there's a way to stop this, show me how. Show me how, show me how, show me how.
Voices in my head know me, call me. I will be restless. Somehow they chose me. This is my nightlife. Wanna be high life. I feel so reckless, calling them all night. I'm calling, I'm calling. I'm calling, I'm calling. It's the freedom I shouldn't have. Should you know, I might as well still on that. It's the only thing that I fucking do.
So that wraps up the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I still have a lot more cleaning to do, but this definitely like kickstarted it, so I'm really happy. I finished my power hour. I finished mopping at like 2:58 and I had till 3 o'clock, so a total success. I don't think I've ever done a power hour where I've completed everything. So I'm in. I'm happy. I feel productive. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing. I promise to be better. And I love you guys forever, and I will see you next time.